ang may kasalanan daw yung nag-press release. Pero mga kababayan, tayo po ay hindi naniniwala. At syempre, meron ba tayong isang kakampi na nanggaling din sa Congress na kung saan ito Harry Roque na talagang pinaninindigan niya na hindi raw po, mga kababayan, wala daw siyang kinalaman doon sa Lucky South 99. But, mga kababayan, remember that Casiong represent Whirlwind and also represent itong Lucky South 99. Diba? So ngayon, pakinggan natin yung paliwanag ng isang abogado pa or abogada na talagang kukontra dito sa sinasabi ni Harry Roque at talagang babara po ng gusto sa kanya at talagang sampal sa pagbumukha ni Harry Roque itong sinasabi nitong Congresswoman Luis Tre. Mga kababayan, ito po siya oh. Ayan, di ba? Ito po si Congresswoman at ito po ang kanyang sinabi. Iwanan muna natin si Harry Roque dyan sa punto na yan kasi mahaba-haba pa yan at kailangan hindi tayo mag-focus dyan mga ka-GP. Ito.
Of Whirlwind, who in turn acted as agent for Lucky South. But that does not mean that Lucky South gave me their trust and confidence to represent me, and I will repeat it. Kung kukunin po nila ako to quash the raid on their property, I will readily accept it. Pero yun nga po, hindi nila gagawin yun. Dahil sa tingin nila, ang kritiko ng gobyerno, hindi magpapanalo ng kaso sa kanila, magpapalala pa. Yun lang po ang sitwasyon talaga.
Mr. Chair, earlier, Attorney Roque likewise stated that Whirlwind is the agent of Lucky South. Does our resource speaker confirm this, Mr. Chair?
Yes po.
And can agency be implied?
Well, it can be implied, but an agency once delegated cannot be further delegated. Yun po ang rule.
Can it be done verbally?
Well, agency is written or verbal. Pero ang sinasabi ko nga po, yung delegated authority to Casiong cannot be delegated any further. Ang pwede lang po mag-delegate talaga ay yung principal.
And what, therefore, is your concrete basis why you reach the conclusion that Whirlwind is an agent of Lucky South 99?
Well, una-una, Mr. Chair, because that is how Whirlwind explained it to me. And under the circumstance na sila nagpapaupa ng property nila at may interest sila na magkapatuloy ang negosyo ng Lucky South, nakita ko naman po kung
Wait
ano
lang, mga kababayan.
ng Whirlwind.
Ang
interest ng Whirlwind.
Teka lang. Putulin ko lang saglit ha. Putulin ko lang saglit kasi baliktad yung na-play natin. So dito kasi, etong video na to, ito yung talaga nagpapakita na kung saan talagang dinurog si Harry Roque. Diba? Huwag kayo maniwala dyan sa isang crazy dyan na parang tila naka-fentanyl din na dinurog daw ang mga member ng House. Okay? Ito yun oh.
Florida Rida Robes. Okay na yan. Ma'am, you are now recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. With all due respect to Attorney Harry Roque, I always yield to your legal expertise.
Ayun!
However,
Oy! Ikaw pa pala, Roque, ang idol ni Kong, ha? Pero, eto, yung nag-idolize sa'yo ngayon, eto ang bumabara sa'yo. Diba? Hindi mo kakayanin ang... dahil meron itong sinight, mga kababayan, na isang provision, sabihin natin isang batas, o isang pagkakataon na nangyari talaga na tungkol po dyan sa sinasabi ni Harry Roque. Wala yan, hindi sila nagbayad sa akin, therefore walang client relationship, di ba?
Attorney Roque, this is one of the occasions when my knowledge in law became gray. So I wish to ask once more for the record. With all due respect, kayo po ba ay abogado ng Lucky South 99?
Hindi po, wala po akong attorney-client relationship sa kahit sino na shareholder or officer.
Wala daw siyang attorney-client relationship. Harry Roque, ha? Paktay ka ngayon dyan. Diba? Akala mo lusot ka? May baon pala si Kong.
Ng Lucky Star.
From that
Lucky South.
answer of Attorney Roque, Mr. Chair, I wish to share to the committee the case of Eusebio Sison versus Attorney Lourdes Dumlao. This is AC number 11959, April 28, 2021. If I may quote, a lawyer-client relationship is established when lawyers consistently manifest to a person consulting them
Manifest and consistently mga kababayan. Kalimutan ko tuloy eh. Consistently assisting the client. 'Di ba?
that they would provide legal
Wait.
AC number 11959, April 28, 2021. If I may quote, a lawyer-client relationship is established when lawyers consistently manifest to a person consulting them that they would provide legal representation or assistance, regardless of the close ties between the parties or the lack of written contract.
Hindi kailangan ng written contract. Harry Roque, kahit verbal lang. Pag ikaw ay, di ba, si Cassie Ong ay representative din ng Lucky South. Therefore, since sinasamahan niya ito mga kababayan at consistently nagko-consult ito at nagmamanifest sa kanila, therefore, maliwanag na nandoon yung attorney-client relationship was already created. Harry Roque, tandaan mo yan. Attorney ka pa naman.
The non-payment of legal fees. It is very clear, Mr. Chair, that from the definition of a lawyer-client relationship, kahit walang kontrata, kahit walang payment of legal fees, the moment the client starts seeking advice and the lawyer starts giving advice, a client-attorney relationship is created.
Yon, maliwanag. Kahit walang perang involved, mga kababayan, basta ang kliyente ay nagsisik ng help at nagbibigay ng advice naman itong si Harry Roque. Diba remember, siya po ang nakipagpulong. Siya ang lumapit sa PAGCOR. Tumawag pa nga ito, mga kababayan. Kaya diyan sa PAGCOR ng ilang beses at inamin niya ni Harry Roque. Maliwanag, Harry Roque, ano ba yan?
Can we be enlightened on this, Mr. Chair, from Attorney Roque?
Attorney Roque, you are now recognized.
Mr. Chair, tama po yun. Ang problema, wala pong kahit anong konsulta na nangyari sa panig ko at sa kahit kanino sa panig po ng Lucky South. Kaya miski wala pong bayad, wala pong kontrata, wala rin po kaming komunikasyon. Dahil ang komunikasyon ko po, lahat po yan ay kay Cassie Ong lamang.
Kaya nga, si Cassie Ong nga eh. Hindi naman ibig sabihin mga kababayan na buong Lucky South 99 ang hawak mo. 'Di ba? Pagkausap mo si Cassie Ong, she already represented the Lucky South 99. And therefore, binibigyan mo siya ng advice and he's seeking advice as well coming from you. Therefore, mga kababayan, nandoon na, na-create na yung attorney sa client relationship. Diba? Oh.
I understand, Mr. Chair, that the statement of Attorney Roque, he was never consulted by Lucky South 99. But he has been repeating a while ago that Cassandra Leong is the representative of Lucky South 99. Is it not that the consultations made by Representative Ong with Attorney Roque, the consultations as well that was made by Lucky South 99 with Attorney Roque, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair, gaya na aking sinabi po kanina, ang aking attorney-client relationship ay kay Cassandra Ong at kay Whirlwind dahil sila po ay umakto bilang ahente ng Lucky South.
Ang tigas ng ang tigas ng bunbunan, mga kababayan. Si Cassandra Ong din naman, kaya nga sila lumapit doon sa PAGCOR, 'di ba, para magbayad dahil nga po hindi daw di umano iniremit na itong si Dennis Cunanan. Si Cassandra ang representante ng Lucky South 99 at the same time representative din ng Whirlwind. So hindi pwedeng ialis unless, mga kababayan, wala doon yung pangalan ni Cassie Ong. Pero dahil nire-represent niya, ito pa, meron pang isang bagay dito Sasabihin kasi ni Harry Roque, ang pumalit kay Dennis Cunanan ay itong si Cassie Ong. Ano ba ang nire-represent ni Dennis Cunanan? Lucky South. Nung pinalitan niya si Dennis Cunanan, di ba, pinalitan ni Cassie Ong, therefore, siya na ngayon ang nagre-represent ng Lucky South 99. Harry Roque nagugulumihanan ka na ba?
Pero hindi ko po naging kliyente ang Lucky South. Para po siguro malinaw, it is an instance where both Whirlwind and Lucky South will benefit kung magtutuloy ang negosyo ng Lucky South. Kasi kung wala naman po Lucky South, useless yung pinatayong premises ng Whirlwind. At kung wala naman ng Whirlwind, wala ring uupahan ang Lucky South. Pero pagdating po sa attorney-client relationship, dapat meron man lang komunikasyon sa panig ng abogado at ng kliyente whether or not there is a written agreement, whether or not there is bayad. Pero wala po talagang ganon dahil limited lang ako kay Cassie Ong.
Mr. Chair, I just wish to remind our resource speaker that I think there were 3 members of the committee who have been delving on this question, and repeatedly, Attorney Roque stated that he is lawyering for Cassandra Ong.
Ayan, ito na mga kababayan. Diba he is lawyering for Cassandra Ong, tama?
Cassandra Ong is the representative of Lucky South 99. And it is really hard to conceive how he can separate himself from Lucky South 99 if his client is representing no less than Lucky South 99.
Apparently.
Lucky South is not a natural person. It is a juridical person. The only way to talk with a lawyer is through a representative.
Exactly.
And that is Cassandra Ong.
Tama.
If I may add, Mr. Chair, under Section 3 of Canon 3, lawyer-client relationship. A lawyer-client relationship, yes, Attorney Roque is correct, the highest fiduciary character. As a trust relation, it is essential that the engagement is founded on the confidence reposed by the client on the lawyer. Therefore, a lawyer-client relationship shall arise when the client consciously, voluntarily, and in good faith vests a lawyer with a client's confidence for the purpose of rendering legal services such as providing legal advice, representation, and the lawyer, whether expressly or impliedly, agrees to render such services. There are 2 elements, Mr. Chair. The first element is that the client solicits advice and service of the lawyer. And the second element, the lawyer renders service and advice to the client. I think in the given situation, both were fulfilled. There is Cassandra Ong, or there was Cassandra Ong, representing the juridical person Lucky South 99, who solicited the advice, the service of Attorney Harry Roque. And Attorney Harry Roque physically accompanied Cassandra Ong to PAGCOR, a manifestation of his act of rendering service and advice to his client. I humbly submit, Mr. Chair, that I think there are sufficient legal provisions to establish that a lawyer-client relationship was indeed created with Lucky South 99. Mr. Chair.
Ano kaya ang sasabihin ni Roque? Ang ganda ng reasoning ni Congresswoman Luistro, mga kababayan, talagang totoo naman. Sabi mo, paulit-ulit na binabanggit Cassie Ong is the representative that takes charge yung position ni Dennis Cunanan. So therefore, mga kababayan, Dennis Cunanan is representing the Lucky South 99. Apparently, nung pinalitan mo si Dennis Cunanan, you also representing the Lucky South 99. Paano mo ihiwalay ngayon? Nare-represent mo lang si Casio at ang Whirlwind. Ang inilapit nyo doon sa PAGCOR, ang problema ng Lucky South 99. Diba? Hindi lang naman problema ng Whirlwind yun. Kasi binabanggit ni Harry Roque kasi tie-up sila. Kumbaga, yung Whirlwind, silang service provider, kung mawawala ang Lucky South 99, hindi nakikita si Whirlwind. So, kailangan nilang asikasuhin yung Lucky South 99. Ano yun? Double agent? Totoo naman, di ba double agent? Pero mukhang nakikinabang sila sa dalawang party. Sa Whirlwind at the same time sa Lucky South 99. And even Cassandra Ong is also a double agent coming from Whirlwind and also to Lucky South 99. Diba? So paano mo maihiwalay yun? Ano yun mga kababayan? Tsatsaniin mo para maihiwalay? Chinatsani na nga ni Rocky. Liwanag nun ha. Yung mga hindi marunong makinig dyan about sa batas at walang kaalam-alam at sarado ang jutak pag silayas na kayo.
You want to reply on that, former Secretary Roque?
Mr. Chair, I can only say that as a lawyer, I have a different opinion.
Oh. Iba raw yung as a lawyer, I have a different opinion. Simple. Mga kababayan, barado ka? Binasahan ka pa ng binasahan ka pa ng pangyayari. Ibig sabihin may binasa kasi siya doon na talagang nangyari po sa korte, mga kababayan, 'di ba? Attorney Roquea versus Attorney Luistro. Galing. Talagang napahanga ako doon.
I acknowledge that there is lawyer-client relationship between me and Cassie Ong as representative of Whirlwind, who in turn acted as agent for Lucky South. But that does not mean that Lucky South gave me their trust and confidence to represent me, and I will repeat it. Kung kukunin po nila ako to
Palusot mo lang yung kukunin nila ako para ma-equash yung grade dyan sa di ba, sa Pogo, mga kababayan. Pero maliwanag po yung sinasabi dito na talagang hindi mo pwedeng ihiwalay kahit anong gawin mo. Hindi mo maihiwalay yung pagiging representante ni Cassandra Ong, both Whirlwind and also dito sa tinatawag nilang Lucky South 99. So mga kababayan, at ang pinuntan nyo po dyan ay hindi dahil sa Whirlwind. 'Di ba? So therefore, Harry Roque, kahit anong gawin mo pagbalik-baliktad dyan,
of Whirlwind, who in turn acted
hindi na maniniwala talaga sa'yo. Go!
as agent for Lucky South. But that does not mean that Lucky South gave me their trust and confidence to represent me, and I will repeat it. Kung kukunin po nila ako to quash the raid on their property, I will readily accept it. Pero yun nga po, hindi nila gagawin yun. Dahil sa tingin nila,
Napansin niyo yung boses niya? Tumatawa-tawa lang si Roque pero nanginginig na yung kanyang boses. 'Di ba? Kumukuluntoy na ang kanyang tinatagong balat. Ang kanyang itinatago. Armando Balido, hindi kasi nila tinanong kung sino may-ari ng Biancham Holdings. Sa susunod yan, mga kababayan, unguarded kasi sila
ang kritiko ng gobyerno hindi magpapanalo ng kaso sa kanila, magpapalala pa. Yun lang po ang sitwasyon talaga.
Boop.
Mr. Chair, earlier, Attorney Roque likewise stated that Whirlwind is the agent of Lucky South.
Kaya nga.
Does our resource speaker confirm this, Mr. Chair?
Yes po.
And can agency be implied?
Well, it can be implied, but an agency once delegated cannot be further delegated. Yun po ang rule.
Can it be done verbally?
Well, agency
Akala mo, Roque, ha? Nakahanap ka ng katapat na dekalidad. Akala mo kasi, kakayan-kayanin mo lang yung mga tao dito. Kita mo kung paano magsalita. Napaka-plain and simple ni Attorney Luistro. Diba? Talagang kuhang-kuha niya yung asar ni Harry Roque.
is written or verbal. Pero ang sinasabi ko nga po, yung delegated authority to Kasiong cannot be delegated any further. Ang pwede lang po mag-delegate talaga ay yung principal.
And what therefore is your concrete basis why you reach the conclusion that Whirlwind is an agent of Lucky South 99?
Well, una-una, Mr. Chair, because that is how Whirlwind explained it to me. And under the circumstance na sila nagpapaupa
That is how Whirlwind explained it to me. Parang bilang isang abogado, ang dami mong mga reasoning. Pagdating yan sa bagay na yan, how do you reach that certain reasoning? Tapos yun ang sagot mo lang kasi yan yung paliwanag nila sa akin. Eh. Pag napakinggan ko yon as a lawyer, dapat mas mataas yung expectation ko sa sagot mo. Pero bakit yun lang ang sagot mo? You are just relying doon sa Whirlwind, sa sinasabi nila sa'yo. Paano pag sinabi nila, kumain ka ng tae? Kumain ka ng rat-rat? Kain ka kaagad? Sabi ni Roque, aba syempre masarap yun eh. Kain agad ako. Di ba, Maestro Paul TV, shoutout sa'yo kapatid ha? Di ba, nagtataka kayo doon kasi as lawyer, mataas dapat yung definition mo na ibibigay yung reasoning mo doon. Tapos sasabihin lang sa'yo, kasi yun yung sinabi sa akin eh. Yan yung in-inform nila, yan yung binigay nila sa akin. Ganun lang yun? Pag sinabing kumain ka ng tae, kain ka kaagad. Pag sinabi na ikaw ay tumalon sa bangin, tatalon ka kaagad, nandun sa AR eh. Diba? Nakakatanga talaga yung argumento. Ulitin ko doon lang sa part na yon.
99.
Well, una-una, Mr. Chair,
For is your concrete basis why you reach the conclusion that Whirlwind is an agent of Lucky South 99?
well, una-una, Mr. Chair, because that is how Whirlwind explained it to me.
Kahit ulit-ulitin ko, hindi nagbabago eh. How you reach that conclusion? That is how Whirlwind explained it to me. Fuck. Ang babaw, di ba? Mga kababayan, ang lakas niya mag-reasoning sa ibang bagay, ang daming mga bla 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 bla. Pagdating dito, that's Whirlwind explained it to me. Hindi na siya hindi na siya nag-base dun sa legal matter. Nag-base na lang siya dun sa sinabi ni Whirlwind. So kahit wala yun na tawag dito mga kababayan, kahit ito ay hindi legal, okay lang. Susundin niya kasi yun ang paliwanag sa kanya. Tanga ka ba? Siyempre mga kababayan, alam mo na si Kasiong, she's also the representative of Lucky South 99. At imposible namang hindi mo alam yan. Hinihiwalay mo lang talaga. Di ba? She replaced the position of Dennis Cunanan. And you repeatedly mentioned that na pinalitan niya dahil nagkaroon ng problema. Tapos sasabihin mo, hindi mo alam. Parang yung paliwanag mo yan kay Alice Go Pinagbibintangan nila si Alice Go na isang spy. Tapos may kinalaman doon sa Pogo. Ang ganda namang spy niyan.
And under the circumstance na sila nagpapaupa ng property nila at may interest sila na magpatuloy ang negosyo ng Lucky South, nakita ko naman po kung ano ang interest din ng Whirlwind. Ang interest ng Whirlwind ay magpatuloy po ang negosyo nung nag-uupa sa kanila, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, I want to go to the basic. Agency is a contract where there are two parties involved, the agent and the principal. It is hard to conceive, Mr. Chair, that Attorney Roque will be relying on the representation only of Whirlwind. Without
Exactly, mga kababayan. Di ba? Ang hirap talaga nun Harry Roque. Parang ano yan Pwede bang maghiwalay mga kababayan? Parang nagluluto ka niya ng adobo, pero yung adobo, yung toyo, nakahiwalay sa baboy. Pwede ba yun? Tanong ko lang, matinong tanong, di ba? Paano nangyari na nagluluto ka ng adobo pero yung toyo nakahiwalay dun sa baboy? 'Di ba? Paano mo maluluto 'yon na adobo? Paano mo masasabi na adobo 'yon? Di ba? Nagtataka lang talaga ako how you define and how you could separate na itong si Cassie Ong ay representante lang ng Whirlwind at ikaw ay lawyer lang at legal lang ng Whirlwind at hindi ng Lucky South 99. Ang sinasamahan mo, double agent. Di ba? yun nga po yung sinasabi ko, kahit hindi adobo yan, magluto kayo ng paksiw. Paano magiging paksiw yon mga kababayan? Paano mo ihiwalay yon? Paano magiging paksiw yon kung yung tawag dito, yung suka nakahiwalay? Hindi magiging paksiw yun. Pag niluto mo yung baboy, prito yun. Di ba? Kahit walang mantika, baboy yun Magiging prito talaga yun. Magmamantika yun ng sarili, hindi paksiw. Parang ano to si Harry Mau. Parang tanga lang. Sabi ni Edelberto, magpantay may kalamansi pa. Kalamansi.
an active participation of the other party who is supposed to be the principal, the Lucky South 99. And even assuming that indeed Whirlwind is an agent of Lucky South, I hope we are reminded as well by the principle that the act of the agent is the act of the principal, and the liability of the agent is the liability of the principal. Similar to attorney-client relationship, there is a fiduciary relationship that is existing between the principal and the client. So, I wish to conclude, Mr. Chair, that Attorney Roque's representation did not cover only the Whirlwind, but extends even to Lucky South.
Exactly. That's how I assess, mga kababayan. Hindi lang yun Whirlwind, but extend to Lucky South 99. Kaya nga si Cassie Ong ang pinadala dun Dahil kung hindi yan nag-extend sa Lucky South 99, hindi si Cassie Ong ang ipalalagay dyan. Diba?
Chair.
Okay. Thank you so much. Tama-tama yung time mo. Dahil...
Ayan, dyan na nagtatapos yung ating live tungkol kay Harry Roque. Pero meron pa tayo isang balita, mga kababayan Yun yung assessment natin dito. Sabi ng iba, akala kasi nila, nasanay kasi yung mga DDS sa sindakan. Dito kasi plain and simple na pang matatalino lang kagaya ninyo. Na hindi naiintindihan ng mga DDS, 'di ba? Kasi ang naiintindihan nila, yung mga sindakan ni Robin Padilla, susuntukin kita. 'Di ba? Uupakan kita pag ganun kasi kayo, 'di ba? Sabi ni Bato, "You're lying." Ganon kayo nasanay. Hindi kayo nasanay dun sa mga same plain na statement. Hindi kayo nasanay doon sa pangmatalino na statement. Mga DDS, kaya akala ninyo nabutata yung mga congressman, congresswoman ni Harry Roque. Diyan kayo nagkakamali. 'Di ba? Nasanay kayo dun sa mga ganun eh. Na asindakan blues. Pero dito, hindi natin kailangan pang matalino to.